These cars handle the power so good.
Wow. My stomach's hurting.
That's a good kind of hurt.
Oh, dude, that I got chills and goosebumps. Man, wow, unbelievable, unbelievable power, dude. That's. Oh hell, oh hell. Woo! God damn it. Excuse my language.
We'll bleep it.
Golly. Brakes. Oh, 120 again?
Oh yeah.
My fucking palms are sweaty. It is cold outside. Woo! Wow. Yeah, still got goosebumps. Car is absolutely amazing. I still got goosebumps. The speed was amazing. Torque was even better. Absolutely very, very impressed with the car. My name is Brian Saunders. I have a 2017 convertible Mustang. I ended up with the HPE 800 package from Hennessey. I recommend it. Highly recommend these guys. Nothing but 5-star work.